Hello everyone, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Pamela and I'm student from Universitas of Merdeka Malang, Faculty of Tourism. First, I'm going to share you about halal tourism attraction on tourist interest in Indonesia. Next, table of content presentation. I'm gonna discuss about halal tourism concept, halal tourism destination, guides for choosing halal tourism destination, and the last conclusion. Let's get started. Halal tourism concept. Halal tourism concept is a tourist concept that was introduced in Indonesia. A number of countries such as Saudi Arabia, Palestine, Turkey, United Emirates Arab, and Malaysia, with Muslim population have started implementing this halal tourism. In Indonesia, halal tourism is a relative new concept. Halal tourism can be alternative for Muslim tourists to travel while meeting their spiritual needs. Through this halal tourism program, it is hoped that the tourist sector will be able to bring in more local and foreign tourists. The concept of developing Indonesia halal tourism itself is a tourist concept that aims to meet the needs and experience of Muslim tourism. These concepts include halal tourist food and beverage service, quality worship facility, clean toilet with ablution water, and unique experience for Muslim tourists, free from non-halal activity, providing a recreation area with privacy. Let's move on to halal tourism destination. As a country with a majority Muslim population, Indonesia has many halal tourist destinations spread in various cities. The following is an example of halal tourism in Indonesia. First, Aceh. The city, famous the Serambi of Mecca, has a variety of halal tourism which is very interesting to visit. Among them are Weh Island in Sabang and Baitul Rahman Mosque in Banda Aceh. Not only that, Aceh is also the only region in Indonesia that apply Islamic law. Next, Lombok. Lombok is an area that has long adopted the concept of halal tourism. A number of tourist destinations and accommodation in Lombok have used halal tourism in their service. In 2015, Lombok was named the world's best halal tourism destination at the World Halal Travel Award in Abu Dhabi. GMTI even gave a score 76 for the quality of communication service in Lombok in 2019. Menparekraf Sandiaga Uno recently also signed a memorandum of understanding with the Grand Imam of the Istiqlal Mosque. The Istiqlal Mosque will be developed as a halal tourist destination in Indonesia. The choice of Jakarta cannot be separated from the complete Muslim-friendly facility. There are at least 510 hotels with halal certificate and 5 Sharia type hotel. I'll move on to the next topic. Guides for choosing halal tourism destination. The selection of tourist destinations that are in accordance with Islamic Sharia values is also major consideration in applying the concept of halal tourism. Every tourist destination to be addressed must be in accordance with Islamic values such as having adequate mosque and prayer facility, the absence of night entertainment activity, and prostitution, which is against the teaching of Islam. One thing that must be understood is that the facility provided can make visitors comfortable in carrying out worship at halal tourist attraction. Now I'm going to share you about 3 guides for choosing halal tourism destination. First, at hotel. second at tourist attraction, and the latter at the restaurant. Let's start with hotel should be available. Qibla direction available in the room. There is a call prayer every time. Halal certificate restaurant. Spirit pool service for men and women. Room facility are only for legitimate with guests. And available of water-friendly washroom. Let's move on to a tourist attraction must provide. Tourist attraction must provide. Musola is available. Qibla direction is available. Admission facility are available. Prayer equipment is available. Let's move on to restaurant must provide facility. Halal certificate restaurant. There is no pork menu. There are no alcohol beverage. Musula is available, and the last prayer equipment is available. Next, in conclusion is the concept of developing Indonesia halal tourism is a tourist concept that aims to meet the needs and experience of Muslim tourism. Through this halal tourism program, it is hoped that the tourist sector will be able to bring in more local and foreign tourists. The selection of tourist destinations that are in accordance with Islamic Sharia values is also a major consideration in applying the concept of halal tourism. Every tourist destination to be addressed must with Islamic values, such as having adequate mosque and prayer facility, the absence of night entertainment activity and prostitution, and also the community support the implementation of Islamic Sharia values. These good values are not only seen from economic benefit, but also socio-cultural values are maintained and thrived. The price of Sharia tourism is also expected to provide comfort, tranquility, and peace for the people in Indonesia, even far from destroying the environment and custom. Thank you for your listening. Thank you for your nice attention. See you next time. Bye bye.